Hi, my name's Emma, and I'm a dental assistant here at Perfect Smiles Dentistry. I'm just going to show you how to use the Bachman lab pull-down system. We have all our cases in alphabetical order here, from crowns to bridges to night guards. It's all here. You'll find it here. If you're short, all you have to do is pull it down, and you can reach it instead of stepping on like a step stool. And before, we used to have it in just bins scattered all over the place, but now it's easy. You can just grab and go. Just find the patient's name and grab whatever you need. And when we're pulling cases for the week, we just pull it down, pick the patient's name, whoever it is, and then we put it in the bins here. On the days, we have Tuesday, Wednesday, all throughout the whole week. We just put it in these bins. And the names are easy to find because they're right on the label here. So all you have to do is look for the patient's name, and that's it.